how to rewrite it later because I made some mistakes. I'm going to show you guys how it is. Guys, I'm home. I've submitted it. Stay tuned. I'm so tired. I couldn't vlog into the hospital and all stuff. So guys, I reached my hometown. I've reached the place where I need to like apply for my IT. Okay, so I got here, had to rewrite because I made some mistakes. I'm going to show you guys how it is and stuff like. Probably rewrite it again for those of you who you school in Nigeria and you don't know how to write your application letter for an industrial training. I'm going to give you guys an example of it when I get home. Right now I'm tired. I just had to go get something to eat and now I'm resting, relaxing. So probably when I get home I'm going to give you guys a chit chat of the whole situation, an example of how the letter is. Yeah, I don't want to go back today. Feel this home feeling, blah, stuff like that. Just feel at home for at least one night. Just spend one night with my family. So tomorrow, go back to school. So guys, when you're going to apply for IT, you'll be given this training logbook from your university. Okay, and also be given this by your school and this form inside where you're going to put your passport and all of that, industrial training for payment. So you're going to write a letter. The first thing, writing a letter, you need to have a couple of places you want to apply. You're going to attach this to this. So let's start. The first thing, you guys know how to write a letter. We're all taught in our secondary school, high school days and all of that. So here you're going to put in your address here. Okay, then where you are, the city you are, like city, how the whole address stuff, and then the state you are in Nigeria, and then date. Okay, then this, you come over here and then you put in the address of the firm or the company or whichever you want to work in. So you're going to write, let's say, the director, and let's say you're applying for a Coca-Cola's company or something, just wherever you want to apply. Let's say a hospital. Okay, hospital. Now the address of that hospital, where it is, address, the town or city, just like the way you did it in your own address, and the state you are in Nigeria. Then you start from here. Dear sir or madam, comma. This is a formal letter, so you have to start with the subject of the matter, which is application for industrial training. Do not write application for internship placement. This is Nigeria. They do not understand that internship placement, it has a different meaning from industrial training. Industrial starts with who you are, your name. I am so. What level, your level in school. Whether you're in your third year, your second year, or fourth year. When I don't know, departments, they have different level. When your year in the university, then you write the university of so, comma. Then you write in the department, you tell them your department. Well, my department is biochemistry, so Department of Biochemistry. Alright, comma, Faculty of Science. With the matriculation number. So you're going to write your matriculation number. It's your mat number of whatever. You know your mat number, then full stop. So you write the semester you are to come for this IT and the period you are going to spend for the IT. So you can say, because for my department, you do that in your third year in university, studying biochemistry, Department of Biochemistry. In the second semester of the year, then you're going to write the duration. Let's just say from April to October, April to September 20 so. I just write the year, okay? So now, in my department, we are expected to, go to a production company where they produce food, stuff like that, Coca-Cola, Indomie, organic stuff, soap, and all of that. That's where my department lies. But some people, there are different areas of biochemistry. So I applied at a medical lab in the hospital. So what I'm going to write here is I am expected to do an industrial training. In a medical laboratory. Okay, you're going to complete that. Full stop. And I wish to apply for IT in your hospital. Guys, this is how it is from this view. Your address, very important. The address of where you're applying, so you can address if you know who is there. If it's a madam or a sir, just make it known. There's sir, comma. But if you do not know who is actually in charge, you can just put there sir or madam. So application for industrial training in your firm or whichever, if you decide to put something there. But this is just the way I wrote mine. I am, write your name, your level in school, the university you are, your department and your faculty with your matriculation number. Then you put in when you are expected to come for the internship training, which is given by your school. You say, because for me, my department, we do this in our second semester. So in the second semester, from so period, so let's just see from April to September, the year 2000, whichever, I am expected to do an industrial training in a blah blah blah. You just put in the area of where you want to specialize if you are going to do an IT in their company or in their hospital or whichever. You should apply for an internship training. You can see an internship training in your hospital. So let's continue. This kind of letter, you just need to go straight to the point. This is just a headline, a tip of how it should be. These are very essential things you need to have in your letter, you know, because sometimes they might not just, they won't even read it, they will just like, let's just see the duration and how long she's going to spend or he's going to spend with us and all of that. So you go with another paragraph. With this experience, this is what I wrote. This is what I wrote when I was applying. So you can use another statement for this. With this experience, I will be able to expand my knowledge in the area, whether medical biochemistry, environmental biochemistry, industrial biochemistry, whichever, full stop. I'm using my department as an example. I will be in touch once you consider the industrial training to be a good fit. I look forward to hear from you. Full stop. This is a formal letter, so yours sincerely or yours truly or yours faithfully, you can put that there. Your signature, okay, so yeah, you put in your signature, your name, your full name, your phone number, because they need to contact you, they need to give you feedback. So you put in your phone number so that they can reach you, and your email address. If you have one, you put in. But they are likely to call you with your phone number. So that's it, guys. You need to put comma. So this is just a format of how to write your letter. These are very, very important and essential. If you want to make it long, don't speak too much grammar for them. They just want to know when, your department, your faculty, your matriculation number, and with them, how long you're going to spend, when you're going to start and when you're going to end. That's important. And your contact, full name, phone number, all of that. That's just it. So guys, that's how I wrote my letter. To apply for an industrial training, probably a hospital or a company or whichever you feel is okay for you or where you want to apply. The school gave me this. This is what your supervisor or the person in charge where you work is going to be signing and stuff. I think this has a mark. I don't know the whole thing. The school, when you're going for your defense concerning this has a mark, and then that defense also has a mark. This is it, and then you have to staple it together, put the letter on the front, and then the one the school gave you should be at the back. Staple it, put it in an envelope, okay? Put it in an envelope, and then you can submit. Then wait for their call, okay? They'll call you, say, okay, this is the whole situation, this is how it's going to be, we'll have to see you, but this, blah, blah, blah. So that's how it is, okay? That's how it is. So I'm going to give you guys update later on. But you guys to come along with me with my whole training stuff, the whole holiday day, my life and stuff like that will happening depending on where I apply, if I've been accepted in places. So yeah, stay tuned for all of that. Okay, so I'm going back to school today. I'm all done and set, and I thought I should just give you guys a rundown of everything. Stay tuned for that. Okay, bye.
Still haven't